Hi everyone, welcome to Code Kamkaji. I hope everybody are doing good. In the last video, we had discussed about architectural diagram and creation of organ, SonarQube Cloud, and creating the project. So in this video, we are going to discuss about how can we integrate GitLab CI with the SonarQube Cloud and pushing the report from GitLab runner to SonarQube Cloud via like Sonar Scanner. So stay tuned till this video, and if you like my explanation, I request you like, share, subscribe to Code Kamkaji, and you won't miss the further videos in the future. Now let's jump into the concept that this is the basic architectural diagram that we have been discussing since a couple of videos. That there is a GitLab CI tool and the GitLab runner, and we have installed Sonar Scanner tool. Now the requirement is that we would like to scan our source code with a Sonar Scanner and would like to push the report into the Sonar Cloud. So that's the agenda, and we'd like to log into the Sonar Cloud, and we'd like to see what all report and what is the code quality coverage and the vulnerabilities are present in our source code. So that's our agenda, and here I have integrated the runner to GitLab, and I have installed the Sonar Scanner in this runner itself. So, and now it's time to head back to the Sonar Cloud. So here we have the analyze the project. So I'm going to click on the SonarQube setup. I'm just recapping the previous things what we have done in the last videos. So we had stopped here, choose your analysis method. So we haven't integrated the SonarQube Cloud with the GitLab or CI tool. So here we have the multiple ways you can go with, with the GitLab, which is predefined from the SonarQube Cloud. You can take all this information, keep into your settings, CI/CD variables, and you can copy this entire snippet of job in. You can place into your .gitlab.c.yaml file, and happily you can run your job, and it will enable the scanning and push the report into your SonarQube Cloud. But here we have the couple of ways also, if you'd like to go with Amazon Code Catalyst, and if you'd like to go with other CA tools such as GitHub Actions, Jenkins, or Azure DevOps. But in my case, I'd like to go with the manually, because in the universally you may step into any other tools, like you may not follow the GitLab, or you may not follow the way I'm doing the integration if I directly go with the CI/CD GitLab pipeline. So that's why what I'm going to do. I'm going with a very generic way, manually integrating a SonarQube Cloud with the GitLab. So here we have the we have a couple of options based on your project built on stack. It can be JS or web or Maven, Gradle, .NET. So I'm going with others because it has built on React, and my runner is on Linux. So if I come here, so we have the sensitive information called as a Sonar token, and this is the token, and we have the organization ID, which is a dsonar organization, and project key, and source and all, and where we have a host URL. So if I come here, this is my React project, and here I have the GitLab CI.yaml file, and I had open into my web IDE, and I would like to keep all this sensitive information into this job where I have written as a manually, a very generic way, keeping all this sensitive information into the variable section, and this is my job name, and this job name is in the test, so this is the stage test. And after that we have this script, and the script are having calling each variable, and accordingly I'm making it as a scanner with the Sonar Scanner CLI. So first I would like to integrate the sensitive information. So I have the Sonar token. I'm going to copy the Sonar token, and I'm heading here and replacing this because I have run the another pipeline before making this video, so that's why I would like to replace this. So I have replaced here, and the second one is the organization, dsonar organization. I think it is the same one. Yeah, and the project key would be the same one. Yeah. So we have the Sonar token, and Sonar host URL is similar. So now it's time to run your pipeline. So we just have integrated the sensitive information into the variable under local of the job. But it's not a good practice to keep all your sensitive information into your job variable. So it's required. It's must to keep your sensitive information either in your CACD variable, or you can keep any external secret tools such as HashiCorp Vault or any other tools that are available in the market. But to make you understand, so I would like to keep it to this job level itself, so it's more transparent to you. And this is the script of my SonarQube, and it is calling each variables, and it's going with ICOW file for code coverage if we have integrated, and it is doing some exclusion of of files which does not have a code coverage. And this is the tags where I have integrated my run now. So if I do commit into this my branch, so it will create a new pipeline. If I refresh this one, it is going to create a new pipeline, and it has been enabled. So this pipeline will be get triggered, and it will take all the sensitive information from here. And as per the diagram, sonar scanner tool will be the sonar scanner CLI will be enabled. It will get scanned with a sonar CLI, and the report will be pushed into the sonar cloud. So this is the end thing that it's going to happen as per the architectural diagram. So let's wait for some time. I think it's going to be fast based on your CPUs and RAMs of your uh, run now. We'll keep refreshing this. I think it has succeeded. Yeah. So it got succeeded, and this is the execution memory and final time, and these all these sonar J's codes and the runtime. And this is the basic analysis successful information. But so as per the log, we can see that it has been succeeded, but our requirement is that we'd like to see the security hotspot over here. If I come here, and we have received one runner which is a 1228, and now it is 1229. So just a 1 minute ago it got run. And if I go to this branch, and I can see the run and master branch, and this is the security hotspot information, retailability, maintainability, and acceptance and coverage. Since I don't have a coverage, and this is zero duplications, you can go to the issues, how many issues are there in the source code, and security hotspot, are there any vulnerabilities. And since there is a vulnerability of my Docker file, and measures and code, how many lines of code it got scanned, and it give all the information and the activity, when it got ran and what time it got ran, how many runs it has been succeeded and all. So these all the information will get into these my projects, and you can head back to the SonarQube, and here you will have the scanner on based on the branch level, and you can go into inside of it. You can see all the information of your code quality and code coverage information, and duplication and readability and security hotspot vulnerabilities, whatnot. You can see all the information over here in the SonarQube Cloud dashboard. So I hope it is make you understand about this entire process, like in the integration, the basic integration as per the diagram, and and all. So I'm going to add this pipeline URL into this video description also. So if you I would like to see the log level or something, so you can go ahead and you can see it. And here I'm going to stop the video of this integration between the SonarQube and GitLab. And once again, if you like my explanation, I request you to like, share, subscribe to Code Kamagaji. And once again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned and keep learning. Bye bye.